Hey, what's up, you guys? This is RJ here. Welcome to my channel. So most of the people they always ask me about is the this country is allowed, this country is allowed, So that's why I'm trying to create these videos, to with the legendary marketer what the countries are blocked. So you can see that this is the you just search on the Google, just look for that legendarymarketer.com block countries. So once you just type it on the Google, you're gonna see that this page it will come, and you can see that this is all the countries. It's like Afghanistan, Albania. This is all the countries, Bangladesh, and Bhutan, Burma, Egypt. This is all the countries are blocked. You cannot buy. Even the India also. If you guys are from India, you cannot buy this program also. So that's how they are good about their program. So Libya and Korea, you can see that you're all the countries. And I don't know why they maybe they have the payment issue and all. Nepal, Nicaragua, Nigeria, North Korea, Philippines. So there's a lot of countries. The bloc, Zimbabwe, Yemen, Vietnam, Venezuela, Uzbekistan, Ukraine, Uganda, these countries are blocked because they have some payment issue, I think, you know. So yes, go ahead, guys, and check it out. If you guys belongs to this country, I don't know, but don't worry about that. Just reach me out. Like there's a lot of the affiliate programs are there, so I can recommend you can do that also if you cannot do that legendary marketer. So they have the small helps. I thought like I might be it's gonna help you guys. So um, let me know, guys, what's your thought. And if you want to, if you guys are from accept these countries. So I will put the link down below for the 15 days training. It's cost only $7. Go ahead, and that is a beautiful training. I already made it already videos about that 15 days online business challenge. So go ahead and uh, in this page you can see the lot of things, the what kind of products they have, blogs, and home page and everything. I will make it another videos for that, but for this one is like only for the blog countries. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, and if you like my videos, please like it, subscribe it, so in future once I make the another videos, you'll not miss that. Okay, thank you, guys, and thank you. Have a good day.